Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about the sixth disrupting technology. It's called biotechnology. So biotechnology, apart from the word technology, we get bio, right? So bio stands for biology, which is the science of living organisms like us humans. So basically it merges biology and technology, so making technology of living organisms to make our lives better, easier, and stronger. So it can come in various sectors such as medicine, agriculture, environmental management, and innovative solutions to global challenges like global warming. It's a very big challenge we all are facing. So such things like that, right? So applications in medicine. We're going to be talking about medicine and agriculture. So applications in medicine. So genetical engineering. So basically, genetical engineering means manipulating the DNA. So changing the DNA or editing the DNA so we can work differently, respond differently, and everything. CRISPR, I told in my third disrupting technology, no, second disrupting technology. So CRISPR, the gene editing. Okay, you guys can watch that if you haven't. So that basically is genetical engineering. So yeah, CRISPR also comes in biotechnology. So vaccine production. So we can create a better vaccine. So basically our DNA, right? It stores all of the data about us, data about us, how we respond, everything, like everything about us. DNA stores all the information about us, right? So we can create vaccine, which is what do you call perfect for our DNA. Perfect, so our DNA can process the vaccine properly, so we can make DNA based vaccines which work more effectively and productively. So biopharmaceuticals. So what this means is we can create drugs. Drugs are basically medicine. We can call medicine as drugs as well. So we can create drugs by I'll just call it medicine so it's easier for you to understand. So we can make medicine by using living cells. So we can make medicine by using cells. All of the medicines we use are made by chemicals, and chemicals have pros and cons. It's good because it helps with our situation, our disease or infection, and it's bad because those chemicals can react in other ways and make the situation or the disease more complicated. So we can create diseases. No, we can we can't create diseases. We can make medicines by using living cells, and they won't have chemicals, so it will be more effective. It will be more safer. Diagnostics. So we can create advanced diagnostic tools. So diagnostic tools are like tools which help identify diseases and problems in our body, such as X-ray scans, CT scans, and everything, which basically identify the problems and infections or anything in our body. So yeah, so basically creating advanced diagnostic tools. So we can make advanced diagnostic tools using new types of biotechnology, so they can be more effective, faster, and more productive. So agriculture innovations. So genetically modified organisms, GMOs. So basically, uh, tools or technologies like CRISPR, they can change the genetics of the plants so they can be more stronger against pests and insects. So yeah, this slide talks about agriculture. Agriculture is basically about crops and plants, right? So just so you know. So yeah, they can enhance the crops traits. They can make them more stronger, more faster. Yeah, they can be faster grown, and they can be more stronger against pests. And biofuels production. So basically, your car uses petrol, diesel, or any type of kerosene to run, right? But we can make biofuel production. We can make biofuel from the plants or the waste. So yeah, we can use waste products or plants to make biofuel. So yeah, it'll be more environmental friendly. And biopesticides. So um, so basically On the crops, there are a lot of pests. Pests are like insects, so there are a lot of pests which are ruining the crops and everything. So farmers basically use some kind of spray, so they can spray off all that pests so it can grow properly and the pests won't ruin it. But that spray has a lot of chemicals, so whenever the fruit is formed and when we eat it, the chemicals are in the fruit, so it's dangerous for our health. So we can make eco-friendly pest control options. So there are some types of bacteria we can use so that they can kill the pests instead of using fertilizers, instead of using some kind of sprays to take off the pests, which has chemicals and is bad for our health when we eat the fruit which comes from that pest. So soil enhancements. So improving soil health with microbial products. So if you guys don't know, soil nurtures the plants. Basically in the soil there are nutrients and waters, minerals and everything the plant basically takes to grow. So the roots of the plant take to grow. So we can improve the soil health. Sometimes the soil is bad and that will basically make the plants die, and the root properly cannot take from the soil because the soil some type of soils don't have some areas in the soil don't have enough minerals, so the plant will just die and it won't grow. So we can improve the soil health using microbes, bacteria, and etc. Okay guys, thank you for joining me in this session, and stay tuned for the next disrupting technology because I think it's gonna be the best one, AI. So stay tuned for that, and until then, it's me signing off. Bye bye.